Hello friends, and welcome back to day 2 of our learning about 3D shapes. So yesterday we talked all about cubes and spheres. Hopefully you found some around your house and were able to share that with me on Seesaw. Today we're going to explore with a new 3D shape. And I'll give you a clue. This was our 3D shape last week that we talked about could do all three things. It can roll, stack, and slide. Do you remember which 3D shape that was? If you said cylinder, you were correct. This is a cylinder. Can you say it, cylinder? Has two flat faces, one curved surface. So when I have a big one right here, so you can see that I found in my pantry. If you go to the pantry, you probably have a lot of cylinders in there. And I can see that my cylinders can stack because they have a flat surface. They can slide on their flat surface. And they can also roll because they have a curved surface. They can do all three. Let's see if we can count the vertices on our cylinder. Do you see any vertices? Remember, vertices are the corners or where the two lines meet. No, there's no vertices on a cylinder. Two flat faces and one curved surface. And since an edge, it has to actually be two flat faces that come together. And so I know that, so this is actually not counted as an edge. So a cylinder actually has 0 edges and 0 vertices. Let's look at some other 3D shapes. You guys can tell me, do you think it's a cylinder or not a cylinder? Actually, I even have some 2D shapes too. So we can review those. How about this one? No, this is a 2D shape, a circle. Now, the face of a cylinder is a circle, but the whole shape all together is a cylinder, and it's a 3D shape. How about this one? No, this is not a cylinder because it only has one flat surface instead of two. How about this 3D shape? Well, this is a cube because it has all flat surfaces. It doesn't have a round surface. Remember, we have to give a reason why. How about this shape? Oh, this is a sphere because it's all one curved surface that can roll. It doesn't have any flat surfaces. How about this one? So it's a little tricky. It's short, but it's still a cylinder because it has one curved surface and it has two flat faces. It can slide, doesn't have any vertices or edges. So this is a cylinder. It just looks a little different. How about my kaleidoscope? What do you think? Is this a cylinder? Yeah, this is a cylinder. It has a curved surface, two flat faces, and no vertices. Very good. All right, over on Seesaw today, you just have a paper there where you're going to find all the pictures of cylinders and circle them and write your word cylinder. Okay, I will see you back here tomorrow for our last 3D shape that we're going to work with.